Daily Animated Text. Good morning to all those who love Jehovah God, to this spiritual breakfast. Topic for today is
Jehovah restores and blesses his faithful people.
And the daily text that we will analyze today is
Ephesians chapter 4, verse 24. Put on the new personality. The fulfillment of biblical prophecies. The fulfillment of biblical prophecies is a demonstration of Jehovah's power and faithfulness. The words written in Isaiah chapter 65 about the spiritual paradise had a first fulfillment in ancient Israel and were fulfilled again in modern times. Knowing these prophecies helps us understand how Jehovah restores and blesses his faithful people and invites us to reflect on our own responsibility to put on the new personality. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 24.
By means of the prophet Isaiah, Jehovah described what it would be like for those who would dwell in the spiritual paradise. You can find this description in Isaiah chapter 65, which had an initial fulfillment back in 537 BCE. At that time, repentant Jews were released from captivity in Babylon, and they returned to their homeland. Jehovah blessed his people and helped them to make the devastated city of Jerusalem beautiful again, and to restore its temple as the center of true worship in Israel. A second fulfillment of Isaiah's prophecy began in 1919 CE, when Jehovah's modern-day worshippers were set free from captivity to Babylon the Great. Then the spiritual paradise started to take shape throughout the earth. Zealous kingdom proclaimers formed many congregations and produced spiritual fruitage. Men and women who once exhibited violent, animalistic tendencies put on the new personality that was created according to God's will. Ephesians 4:24.
Daily text lessons.
Activity, true or false? Statement 1. In the year 537 before our era, the repentant Jews were freed from Babylon and returned to their land. Answer: true. Explanation: this is confirmed by the prophecy of Isaiah 65. Jehovah blessed the repentant Jews by allowing them to leave the Babylonian captivity and return to the Promised Land, marking the first fulfillment of that prophecy. Statement 2. The Jews who returned from Babylon rebuilt Jerusalem and restored the temple as the center of pure worship. Answer: true. Explanation: with Jehovah's help and blessing, the Jews transformed the ruins of Jerusalem into a beautiful city and re-established the temple as the heart of true worship in Israel, as indicated by Isaiah 51, verse 11, and Zechariah 8, verse 3. Statement 3. The second fulfillment of Isaiah's words began in 1914, when Jehovah's servants were freed from Babylon the Great. Answer: false. Explanation: the correct date is 1919, not 1914. It was in that year that Jehovah's servants were freed from the influence of Babylon the Great, giving rise to the second fulfillment of Isaiah's prophecy and the expansion of the spiritual paradise throughout the earth. Statement 4. Many people who had been violent and immoral changed as they made spiritual progress and put on the new personality according to God's will. Answer: true. Explanation: this is one of the most beautiful fruits of the spiritual paradise. Men and women with difficult pasts have experienced a profound change by applying biblical principles, thus fulfilling the words of Ephesians chapter 4, verse 24, about putting on the new personality that was created according to God's will.